Today we're going to be talking about the Great Indian Ocean. It is located in India and South Asia. Also, the depth is 13,002. Java Trench is the deepest part of the Indian Ocean. It is 25,334 feet deep. The ranking is 24,800,000 feet. It is the third largest ocean in this world. Also, the Indian Ocean is really deep. Here's some interesting facts about the Indian Ocean. It's the warmest ocean in this world. It was during the Age of Discovery. In 1500, it was being discovered. This is all about the Indian Ocean. Hope you like the video.